Select the Type tool and type your text. Use the Selection tool to resize and move the text. Go to Window and select Appearance. Click Add New Fill 2 times. Select No Color for the stroke. Adjust the first fill color. This will be the color of the text. Adjust the second fill color. This will be the color of the shadow. Make sure the bottom fill option is selected. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Move 1 pixel horizontally and vertically. Increase the amount of copies until the shadow is long enough. And that's how you create a text with a long shadow.